Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into an important topic for all the OET, Occupational English Test, takers, how to prepare for the OET Speaking Test. I'll be your guide through this process. The OET Speaking Test assesses your ability to communicate effectively in a healthcare setting. It consists of two parts, the role play and the consultation. Let's start by discussing the role play section. In the role play, you'll play the role of a healthcare professional, while the examiner acts as a patient or another healthcare professional. For example, let's say the scenario is about counseling a patient on managing their diabetes. During the role play, it's essential to demonstrate your communication skills, empathy, and ability to provide clear information to the patient. Here are a few tips to excel in the role play section. Read and understand the role play card carefully. Familiarize yourself with the situation and the tasks assigned to you. Pay attention to the patient's concerns and address them appropriately. Use clear and concise language. Avoid medical jargon that the patient may not understand. Maintain a friendly and empathetic tone throughout the conversation. Practice active listening by nodding, paraphrasing, and asking relevant questions. Now let's move on to the consultation section. In this part, you'll have a conversation with the examiner about a healthcare-related topic. The key to success in the consultation section lies in your ability to provide comprehensive and well-structured responses. Here's what you should keep in mind. Take a moment to gather your thoughts before responding. It's okay to pause and plan your answer. Structure your response using the ideas framework: introduction, detail, explanation, advantages, and summary. Use appropriate medical vocabulary and terminology to convey your ideas effectively. Focus on delivering clear and concise responses while providing enough information to address the topic. Maintain a professional and confident demeanor throughout the conversation.